Hello, everyone. Mark Hackman here, dialing in from my home office in Southern California near Redondo Beach. I want to take just a couple of quick minutes. Basically, I'm just going to read from some slides. My entire intention today is simply to invite you to request some additional information. This is a really brief overview of the most powerful blockchain alliance and ecosystem anywhere in the world. I'm going to talk a lot about due diligence today and simply, again, just invite you to come get some more information. There's a tremendous amount of due diligence that we have available for you. In fact, more due diligence than I've ever seen on any project, any company ever in the entire time that I've been in business, which is getting to be quite a few years right now. All right, here we go. This is not just another crypto deal. This is not a coin opportunity. This is a blockchain alliance. Crypto is simply a very, very small piece of the bigger blockchain opportunity that's presented to us right now. The cool thing is this project is already in existence. It's already creating consistent, tangible, passive daily rewards for millions of people around the world. A little bit of background. The founders of this project are among the biggest, most famous, most well-respected guys in this space. They're absolute rock stars with impeccable credentials and global reputations. They own 4 cryptocurrency exchanges and they're investors in at least a dozen more. They're angel investors in 12 of the top 20 cryptocurrencies in the world. The founder, in fact, is one of the top 4 Bitcoin miners in the world today. He's the first person ever to get a blockchain company listed on a stock exchange, and he currently has 5 blockchain companies listed on various stock exchanges around the world. These guys earn commissions on over $1 billion worth of trades and transactions every single day. They've invested multiple hundreds of millions of dollars of their own money in this alliance of companies that we're talking about. They consult with, work directly with government leaders and major corporations all around the world. Here's the meat of the project, and this is really exciting. They currently have over 1 million customers already. Their target is 30. Because when they get to 30 million customers, they're going to issue an IPO, they're going to go public, and that's going to be a very, very exciting time for everybody. This is not an investment. We're not talking about you investing money. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an investment advisor. This is simply a membership subscription like Netflix or your gym, and that's what sets it apart from everything else out there. And in my opinion, what makes it so extremely exciting. A little bit of a personal perspective here. My superpower, if I can use that word, is compensation plans. I've been in the home-based business space for going on 30 years. I've been able to author some of the most powerful compensation plans that companies use to pay their people. I tell you that simply because when I saw the compensation structure that they've created here, they call it a rewards plan. I was absolutely astonished. I sat there with a big grin on my face. I watched it a second time and I said, oh my goodness, these guys are on to something. It's very, very exciting. I will never, ever make an income claim. Nobody's ever heard me do that. You're not going to hear that today and you won't in the future. But I will tell you, based on my own personal observation and my own personal experience so far, there's an ever-increasing army of membership subscribers around the world already receiving passive daily rewards. Here's a couple of highlights about the plan. It pays 0.5% of the value of your membership to you every single day. That's at least 15% per month in passive rewards on your membership. Please realize this is not tied to the potential fluctuations of a coin because this is based on blockchain activity, not coin activity. So at the very minimum, you can 2x or 3x your membership completely passively, literally doing nothing. I know that sounds too good to be true. I implore you, ask for the due diligence, let us send you some information and you'll realize exactly how powerful this is. Second option is rather than 2 or 3x, you can 10 or 12x your money simply by participating in what we call rebuys. Okay, it's still completely passive and it takes about a minute to do. If I'm slow on a particular day, it takes me 2 minutes. But I've gone from 2 or 3xing my money, my rewards, to 10 or 12xing simply by participating in an activity that takes me about 1 minute a day to do. And then the third option is you can do referrals. And then you get you into the unlimited rewards space. It's optional. There's no requirement that you do that. There are many, many people around the world that do not participate in the referral part of the program. They simply 10xing their money, participating in other part of the plan that I just spoke about. Again, not making any income claims here or guarantees. I work with many people who are doing this every single day, including myself, some with absolutely astonishing results, often very, very quickly. So the optional referral part of the plan is available as well. A major distinguishing factor between this project and another crypto deal, and I mentioned this a minute ago, is that other deals are tied to the value of a cryptocurrency or a coin, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. So the rewards on that can fluctuate wildly up or down as the market goes through whatever trends and fluctuations that it presents on a daily or weekly basis. The owners of this project earn massive millions of dollars every single day on hundreds of millions of global transactions in the various exchanges they own and the other multiple business interests that I mentioned a few minutes ago. So they're able to pay these passive rewards every day, 7 days a week, completely unrelated to any particular cryptocurrency and no matter else, whatever else is going on in the industry. And again, the sole purpose of this project at this point is customer acquisition. In addition to passive daily rewards, there's also opportunity to participate in early adopter opportunities. You'll be able to learn more about that as you do your due diligence. Also, membership subscription gives you direct access to what is, in my opinion, the most comprehensive, most powerful library of information about blockchain and crypto. The interesting thing is, the really cool thing is, you don't need to know anything about cryptocurrency or blockchain to take complete advantage of the rewards program, whether it's part 1, part 2, or part 3 that I just talked about, but the education is there for those of us that want to go after it. Here's how it works. As your passive rewards portfolio accumulates, there are several things you can do with the rewards that are in that account. Number one, you can pull them out anytime you want as real currency wherever you happen to be. This isn't one of those programs where, yeah, you're accumulating a lot of rewards, but you can't take access to them. You can't get your hands on them, right? This is the opposite of that. As your rewards accumulate, you can immediately, directly pull them out as you see fit. Another option is number 2, you can transfer funds to a global Visa card anywhere in the world. That transaction that you're doing will instantly convert crypto into the local currency. So you might live in LA, but you could be in London or Rome or Madrid or Melbourne, doesn't matter. You can use that card and purchase anything you want anytime, and the card is going to do that conversion for you and authorize the purchase. Very, very exciting benefit for a lot of our members. Third option is you can simply leave the funds in the account. They're going to continue to accumulate and grow, whether or not you take advantage of the optional rebuy strategy and whether or not you take advantage of the optional membership referral program. So what's next? Get some information. I guess one option is don't do anything. That's okay. We appreciate the few minutes that you were here. Wish you the absolute best doing whatever it is you're doing. What I would encourage you to do, the intention of my few minutes here today, is to invite you to get some more information. We have live webinars every day in multiple languages. We have recorded webinars you can access 24/7. Let us show you how the passive rewards program works and how you can receive passive daily rewards yourself. You're going to hear a ton of absolutely life-changing transformational testimonies as well. So that's the invitation. Request the due diligence package. We have an absolutely astonishing amount of due diligence on this company that goes very, very deep, and we'll get all your questions answered. With that, I want to thank you for your time. Appreciate that you're here today and wish you the best of luck moving forward with everything. Thank you all.